Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mindcast English, where learning English feels easy, natural, and fun. I'm Zara.
And I'm Arlo. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, welcome, everyone. Arlo, you're smiling a lot today. You look very cheerful.
I really am, Zara. I feel happy and excited.
Oh, I like that. Tell us why. What's making you so happy today?
Well, it's because Christmas is coming. This is my favorite time of the year.
Christmas. That makes sense. I love this season too. The lights, the music, the decorations, everything feels warmer.
Exactly. Even the air feels different. People smile more and the streets look beautiful.
Before we start our conversation, let's say a quick hello to our listeners. If you're listening right now, thank you for being part of the Mindcast English family.
Yes, thank you so much. And if you enjoy learning English with real conversations, please like this episode, subscribe to Mindcast English, and share it with a friend.
Your support helps us continue making long, helpful English conversations just for you.
All right, Zara, let's talk about Christmas in simple, real English.
Let's start with something easy. Arlo, when you hear the word Christmas, what is the first thing you think about?
That's a good question. The first thing I think about is the Christmas tree.
Me too. Decorating the Christmas tree is one of my favorite traditions.
I love it as well. Putting ornaments on the tree feels very special.
Do you decorate the tree alone or with your family?
With my family, we usually play Christmas music while decorating.
That sounds lovely. Music makes everything better.
It really does. What about you, Zara? Do you have a favorite Christmas tradition?
Yes, I do. I love sitting together as a family and talking after dinner.
That's beautiful. Christmas is really about being together.
Yes, and of course, the food is also very important.
Ah, yes, the food. Christmas food is amazing.
What kind of food do you enjoy at Christmas?
I enjoy traditional meals, warm food, and sweet desserts.
Desserts are my favorite too. Cookies, cakes, and warm drinks.
Hot chocolate is perfect on a cold Christmas night.
Absolutely. Now, Arlo, many people talk about gifts at Christmas. How do you feel about giving gifts?
I think giving gifts feels good. I like seeing people smile when they open a present.
Me too. But sometimes people feel stressed about buying gifts.
Yes, that's true. Shopping can be stressful.
Sometimes we forget something important during Christmas.
What do you mean?
We focus on shopping, decorations, and food, but we forget the real meaning of Christmas.
That's a very good point. Christmas is not only about things.
Exactly. For many people, Christmas is about love, kindness, and faith.
Yes, Christmas celebrates the birth of Jesus.
In English, we often call that story the Nativity.
The story of Jesus being born in Bethlehem.
It's a simple story, but it's very powerful.
Jesus was not born in a palace. He was born in a stable.
That teaches us humility.
Yes, it shows that love does not need to be rich or fancy.
That's why Christmas feels warm in our hearts.
It's a season of peace and hope.
Arlo, many learners want to practice English during holidays. How can Christmas help them learn English?
That's a great question. Christmas gives many chances to practice English naturally.
For example,
You can learn Christmas vocabulary, like tree, lights, gifts, family, peace, and joy.
you can also listen to Christmas songs in English.
Yes, songs like Silent Night or Joy to the World are slow and clear.
They're perfect for beginners.
Another idea is watching Christmas movies in English.
With subtitles, of course.
Yes, subtitles help a lot.
You can also practice speaking by talking about your Christmas plans.
Simple sentences are enough.
Like, I will spend Christmas with my family.
Or, my favorite Christmas food is...
That's great practice.
Zara, Christmas can be hard for some people.
Yes, especially people who feel lonely.
If you're listening and feeling lonely, we want you to know something.
You are not alone.
You are important and you matter.
Christmas is a message of love and hope.
And learning English is also a journey of hope.
Step by step, word by word.
Just like today.
Before we finish, let's ask our listeners a question.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite thing about Christmas?
Is it the food, the music, the family time, or the meaning?
You can write simple English. That's okay.
Practice is more important than perfection.
And don't forget to write Merry Christmas in English.
We want to fill the comments with positive messages.
Thank you for spending this time with us on Mindcast English.
We're so proud of you for learning English.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
And we'll see you in the next episode of Mindcast English.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye and happy learning.
Bye-bye.